What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is John Hart. Guys, so sharing my screen here. We're gonna start with just the indices to cover up how's the market doing, and then after that I'm gonna go over the two stock that I'm really interested, and also a couple updates about my position and stuff. So the first thing I want to go with XPX. XPX making a new high after last week's sell-off. We do I know if you've been watching YouTube, you've probably seen a lot of people talk about quad reaching, option expiration, future expiration. Yes, it did happen last week. We pull back. We basically close below 50 moving average, and it looks bearish. But of course, there's no confirmation. So the next day, you just rally up, and then now we basically go into the new high. We broke that 42.55. That recent high. Now we're basically making a new high. So it's amazing. It's not overbought yet, so there's still room to grow. Now, there's a big question mark. The question mark is the MACD. The MACD is still low here, below here, while the chart it's showing it's higher. So it's showing divergent right here. And then let's go to QQQ as a tech. And then we're looking at the same thing. Tech is much stronger than SPX. You can see that the last week pullback is not really doing anything, harmful to the tech. And then we basically making a new high. Um, the next thing is IBB, biotech. It's making that, cup and handle. I really like this chart as well. Um, and then we are kind of perking up here. So biotech probably will have some kind of life coming up next 2 months, or maybe a month. We'll see. My prediction is July, August is still the major cycle, but since the chart basically changed a lot, now we gotta have to kind of calculate a little bit, where will be the next cycle for the major correction. So I'm not gonna be talking much about that right now because let's go just day by day. Semiconductor, it's kind of weakness, showing weakness today. We're making it the triple top for double top, triple top. I would say 1, 2, and 3. If you count that one, would be the fourth top. Eventually, if the market support it, we're gonna go higher on this, and the next level is 258, 260. That for the semiconductor market looking bullish after last week, to be honest with you. The next one is the Dow. Um, Also, surprisingly, right, it just basically pushed back way below the 50 moving average, and then after that push up again. So it's amazing recovery, and this is making the V shape, double bottom, triple bottom here, and then we break, and then it push up again the next day. Now we're going to be testing the major support, a major resistance here at 346, and then go all the way to 347.50. That will be the major resistance, which is the fourth top here. And if we do test and it's not making a big pullback, then technically we're gonna march higher. All right, what else did I miss? SPX, QQQ. I think we cover everything from the indices. I like the market looking bullish. We're gonna see. This is, by the way, this is recorded on June 25th, Friday. So next week will be the end of the month. We probably will see where the market would coming in with brand new the Q3 Q3. What is it? Q3? Yeah, it is Q3. Q3. It goes so fast. 2021. July 1st. That will be the new money coming in. Right, the beginning of the month. I'm gonna see if it's sell off or we basically coming in with rotation. So that will be more important, especially with the new quarter coming in. So we're gonna see a lot stock. Okay. Now I'm gonna go over the two stock. Well, let's go over the couple stock that I mentioned on the last video. Palantir. Palantir is making a very good move. Unfortunately, I already sold this position at 25. Now it's close to 27. So, with the big volume today, so which is amazing. There's a lot of sign this will go to 27.60 and then $30 in this level right here. Palantir is good for long term. We're a little bit overbought, but long term, this is a good stock to have. Um, Weekly also already showing a curly here. So let's go take a look. The other one, which is this is from my position rocket. I already sold this position as well. It wasn't really a good stock because it broke that 200 from the last search, and then it broke the 50 as well. So I went out like around 1950 ish. You pull back around to 18 $19, and then it bounced again. Now it's making like a bull flag on this area. So I have to see if this is having a sign of life again. I probably want to sell put here at 19. And keep in mind, 1918, that was the IPO price as well. So which is a good stock to have, but long term with the interest rate going up, I just want to get out. It's still profitable for me. So that's the update for Rocket. Tilray, I still have this position. I like this. It's basically above 50, above 200. So it does have a sign of life coming up. So hopefully it will bounce again to 23 if that tested again. As you know, this is making low, high, low, high. So we do have a potential to bring to $30 easy on this guy, right? 25, 30, 23, and then $30. That will be my range because of the merger. They have a bigger sales. This stock is undervalued, to be honest with you. So that is my position on Tilray. The other one, TRVN. I, this is a funny scenario. I know that hitting 200 moving average, and I know that I told myself and my friend, I'm gonna sell this at $2.20. And I did not. Stupid me. It just pulled back to $1.86 now. I still making money. It's a good money, but now I'm slowly selling it. Because I don't know where's this stock going, to be honest. I think it's gonna be just choppy in the range. So I don't want to be participate in that. And especially, like I mentioned, my prediction with cycle July, August. That's why I'm kind of want to at least, selling a lot of assets and just wait from there, I guess. All right, so the last one, BTAI. This one is a heartbreaker. I was break even on this stock. And then after that, I was thinking, you know what? It's going to go to 45, 45, 45. And it just pulled back because they're doing an offering. 31.76. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Either the management is just super sucky. Hey, the stock was at 36. Why don't you do an offering at 36? Yeah, they probably need money. They want to make it liquidate, lower so they can get, money faster. But come on, as an investor, it's not really a good thing. Anyway, but the stock is still solid. The prediction of analysts about 100 plus, and they can do a prediction anytime they want, to whatever the price they want, but it doesn't mean it's gonna go that much at any time soon. So that's why that's just my prediction. All right, I'm gonna go over a couple stock here. Two stock that I really like, that I really paying attention. VIAC. Okay, Viacom has been sell off a lot lately, and now it's making kind of lower high, and high and high. So I do like this stock. I think this stock has potential go up to 45. That is the first target. And then after that, 50. Okay, 50. As I mentioned a while back, there's a lot option flow coming in 50. Now, if we're gonna pull the VIP, Okay, just from this guy alone, let's go this one, right? This stock can go up to $60 and go all the way to $68, so $70. Now, of course, I want to see like where is the most average volume or transaction been happening. It's around this 45, 40 is been holding. And keep in mind, this is I don't have history much on the stock chart to go beyond um what 2019, 2 years. But if you look at the, from your trading view, from your stars, but if you look at from there and then look at, monthly or weekly from there and then just pull 10 years, this stock average is around $57. So that's why I do like, and it has potential to go up to $57 where the resistance coming. Okay. The stock is making a move and golden cross on weekly is coming. Go long on this and you're going to be thankful to me later. Okay. All right. Now the other one is BIGC. BIGC, big commerce. This stock has been punished as well. I like this as a bullish flag on weekly. If you look at daily, it's just chopping all along. 42 was the low. Now it goes up to 63. I'm going to wait until it come back again around to this level, 56, 55. Then I'm going to sell put. The premium is so juicy on this. And then there's a curly sign here, which is we're going to pull back anytime soon, right? If it does, sell put on this. I'm going to give you guys also another one, which is I am looking at the moment, Wish. This one, it's kind of, it's a 50-50 chance. There's a lot option flow coming in on the level of 15 calls and then 20 calls. This has potential to go up there. But of course, this is part of the WSB group, right? They're going to cook this. If they're going to make it up, then they're going to go up there. But keep in mind, there's also a lot short interest on this stock. So this stock can move faster than you can think. So, pick your bet. If you want to play this, then play slow or play small with target 20, 15, and 20. And then after that, if it pull back, then you add more. So that's how I basically playing with it. Okay. That's pretty much it, guys. I mean, if you guys like this video, feel free to subscribe and hit the like buttons. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.